Good afternoon, students, parents, and guardians. It's me, Mr. V. Once again, we're going to quickly review our lesson on Jaguars and what the homework assignment will be. So, as you guys can see, this is the Jaguar. So, first of all, we started off with the KWL chart. So, this is what the students are given before certain topics that we go over. So the K stands for what they know, the W stands for what they want to learn, and the L stands for what they learned. So before the lesson, we usually fill out the K part, which is for this lesson about jaguars. The students need that they eat animals, they have black spots, and they're a type of cat. So what they wanted to learn is where they live, are they friendly, what do they eat. So after this, we watched the educational clip, which was about a minute or two long. After that, we read the expository text, um, and we did a choral reading. After that, they filled out the L part, which was some of the information they learned. Some of the facts were they live in the rainforest, they live for about 12 to 15 years, and they live in Central and South America. Um, After that, we filled out a Jaguars fact graphic organizer. So the students here wrote down the facts, as you guys can see in each of the circles, and this is going to help them write their paragraph, which is what they will be assigned for homework. So they can utilize this worksheet that was given for them, and here it states, here are some facts I learned about the Jaguars. So they're going to write some facts they learned about the Jaguars here, and they can utilize the paragraph structure, transition words. So here's the first detail you can start out with first. For example, to start, to begin, and then you write down what you learned and some of the facts. And the next sentence, you can utilize the words also, next, plus, in addition, second, third to start that sentence. The last detail is finally, last but not least, and then the concluding sentence you can utilize in conclusion to summarize, as you can see. Um, and again, that goes back to the Jaguars fact paragraph that this is due tomorrow, so please write it in pencil and bring it to class so we can edit it. Thank you so much. You guys have a good night.